What's happening, Star Wars fans? Peter Von Panda here. Hey, I just bought this. It's the Millennium Falcon. It's the Hot Wheels edition. Includes the flight stand here. Bought this brand new. And one thing I will say right off the bat that is different than I was expecting is based on the pictures. I actually thought it had the square radar dish, and it didn't look as detailed in the pictures as it does in person, which is a good surprise. Oh, you have to be 4 or older to play with this. Despite that, I'm going to play with it anyway. So, I'm just going to tear off the book here. Yeah! Tearing it off. And then we will open this up. Another piece comes out here. We have the base. Alright, it's kind of stuck in there. So, the stand. Come on, rebels. There we go. And there's a little arm, kind of clear plexiglass with the rebel symbol in there. And then we have the arm, which I'm going to hold off on putting this in. I think this part goes down here, but since I'm not sure what attaches to the Millennium Falcon yet, what's an aluminum Falcon? I will take this out first before we start committing ourselves to putting this thing together. The other thing that I'm surprised about is this is more substantial than I thought it was going to be. It's heavier. I mean, it feels like the whole thing is cast all the way through. I guess there's 2 pieces. It looks like it's bonded together there. But the detail on it's pretty groovy. There must be a metal plate or something in between, because this is more than just thick plastic. We have the jets, or the propulsion on the back there. We've got the gun turrets, the cockpit on the side, the mandibles on the front with the missing little shuttlecraft. And this is where I was a little surprised with the radar dome being the round one here, which is a little more accurate. Man, there's a lot of texture on it. I mean, you can see that. The exhaust ports, the vents up here. I bet you could take like some brown shoe polish and kind of smear it across and rub it off and weather this thing up a little bit. Kind of paint those exhaust burns on the back here. We have a little red paint kind of splattered around in different places. But I'm pretty impressed with it overall. You can see there, even the 2 pieces that are brought together. I mean, the tolerances are pretty good. I do like the fact that they paint this electric blue. Be cool to drill that out and put some LED lights in the back or something. And you can see there the cockpit, it's just black paint for the windows. And then we have the arm here, which will go into the bottom right there. I'm trying to figure out, oh, this, so it's going to have to go like this because this is a square piece. Fits right in there. And then this piece will go in here. Assuming that'll click in there, snap in there. Alright, and there we go. Boom. This thing stands up just like this. Pew, pew. Pretty cool, huh? Thing is small though, so it'd be a nice addition to a desk, to a bookcase, what have you. It's pretty cool. I dig it. I will say I got it because it wasn't very expensive. I'll put a link to it under the description, but it's a cool little toy for under 10 bucks. And it has quite a bit of detail. Hot Wheels. Man, when I was a kid, they were just cars. Now they're ships from some of my favorite sci-fi. Peter Von Panda. Oh, I'll put a link to it in the description. Out.